So guys, first I think the public is demanding for foursome problem a lot. Shall we do the foursome problem first? There's a lot of demand for foursome. I don't know what kind of question it is. I don't know. You people are worried, so I don't like my students worried. So let's see what is it. Foursome. The name looks very interesting, huh? Challenging question. Fine. Let's check it out, guys. So guys, it is similar to threesome, I guess, right? अरे यार सिंगल मीनिंग है बात करो यार या इट इज सिमिलर टू थ्रीसम oh my god damn it yeah it's similar to threesome only fine let's do it yeah these people should think of better names okay guys shall we do it in guys shall we do it in python java students you can do it right if I do it in python because I have done threesome problem in java can I do it in python guys so that python students will feel happy okay the very first thing is guys I have to sort it so nums dot sort do people remember this the very first thing is nums dot sort guys is it okay guys just a second let me open the chat yeah the first one is nums dot sort guys is it okay shall we start so the what the hell okay so the very first thing I see here since it is for some problem I need four different variables I will take I j k l is it okay I am going to take I j k l guys in a threesome problem I only fixed I remember I started from zero you remember it guys you remember it? But this time, guys, my j will start from I plus 1 position. Is it okay? My j will start from I plus 1 position. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now what I will say is, see ya, until the value of I is less than j. Is it okay, guys? Until the value of I is less than j. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? But there is a small change, guys. Understand? Since I need three different variables, so see what I'm writing. Until the value of I is less than len of nums minus 1. Is it clear, guys? The outer loop. This will help me to fix only one variable, guys. That is my I. Is it clear, guys? I starts from 0. I is less than or equals to nums dot length minus 1. Inside this, guys, I will start one more variable that is j is less than or equals to len of nums. One second. Len of nums minus 1. Is it clear, guys? Two nested loops. I will help me to take one value. J will help me to take one value. Is it clear, guys? I will help me to take one value. J will help me to take one value. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? But the thing is, my j will start from I plus 1 position. Is it clear, guys? Nested loops. My I is taking one value, my j is taking one. Guys, now my k will start from j plus 1 position. My L will start from k plus 1 position. That's similar thing, guys. You remember that? The similar thing, guys. Is it clear? Everybody getting what I'm saying? Everybody getting what I'm saying? This is for some problem, guys. That is, I is in this position, J is in this position. K will travel from this to this position, guys. Is it clear? Everybody got it? Everybody got it? So now what I can write is, I am going for three nested loops. That is, while the value of K is less than L, guys. Is it clear, guys? While the value of K is less than L. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now similar to two pointers problem, if the value of nums of I plus if the value of nums of j, these two positions are fixed extra. If the value of nums of k plus if the value of nums of L. Is it clear, guys? The sum of four numbers should be equals to target. So what I will do is, if the sum of these four numbers is equals to target. Guys, I will get one answer or not? If this combination is true, I will get one answer or not, guys. I'll keep it as pass for now. Is it clear? Else if, see the second case, else if the same condition, if the value of nums of I, nums of j, nums of k, nums of L is more than target, tell me, guys, which variable will you decrease? My simple question. If the value of nums of I, nums of j, these two are fixed, you cannot do them. Yes. You have to decrement L is equal to L minus 1. Is it clear? Else you already know. Else you already know. K is equals to K plus 1. This much is clear, guys. This much is clear, guys. Very good. Sure. Sure. Now see here, guys. If this condition is true, now I'll create a list called as answer. Is it okay? I am creating a list called as answer. Here, if this condition is true, guys, I need to save this combination or not? If this condition is true, I need to save this combination or not? I'll create a temporary list. Now I will write T dot insert T dot append of nums of I, T dot append of nums of I. Then second one, T dot append of nums of j. Two variables done. Okay, APP, and D. Upper one, APP, and D. Okay. Then I need to insert the third value, guys. T dot append of nums of k. I'll check the spelling later. T dot append of nums of L. Is it clear, guys? I am storing all the four numbers: nums of I, nums of j, nums of k, nums of L. Now I will put it into the main list, that is answer dot append of t. Guys, is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? And you know, duplicates are not allowed. So what I will do, k is equals to k plus 1. I'll move k also. And L is equals to L minus 1. I'll move L also. Is it clear, guys? Everybody clear? Now it is not done, guys. Now it is not done. See here. Once you come out of while loop, first while loop, now which variable will you increment? Once you come out of while loop, which variable will you increment? My question is, guys, should I increment the variable called as KLJ? Should I increment the variable called as J? Yes, we have to increment. J is equals to J plus 1. Is it clear? Guys, here which variable will increment? Here which variable will you increment? I. I is equals to I plus 1. Who is having the answer, guys? All the answer will be stored in ans. Let's check if it is working first of all. Okay, there is an error. What is it? List index out of bound. No problem, guys. No problem. Where is it? K is less than L. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, does L start from K plus 1 position? Come on, think. Does L start from K plus 1 position? Does L start from K plus 1? No, exactly. It starts from len of nums minus 1, right? It is a two pointers concept. Very good. Now let's check. That is how you fix the errors, guys. Guys, first test case is passing, second test case is failing. You already know this. What is happening? Duplicates are coming, guys. Duplicates are coming. Yes, duplicates are coming. What you have to do? What you have to do? First, create the answer in what data type, guys? Set data type. Yes or no? Create it as set data type, guys. Then what you will write? Then what you will write? Answer dot append of t. Is it clear? Yeah, that is also fine, but it will take time complexity of order of n. Is it clear, guys? Now let's check. Will append work for set is my question. Okay, append doesn't work. I think the method is add. Let's see. Let's see. No. What is the method, guys? Is there any method? Let's check. Set methods in Python. Let's check. Let's check. होता है कभी कभी होता है. My memory is very bad because I deal with multiple subjects. So set is add, guys. Okay, it is add only. Guys, no need of tuple and all. Okay, I will try to add the set of t only. Okay, it is telling me an answer. Answer dot add of t. I think let me check, guys. 1 second. Just a second. Let me check. Okay. How to insert? Sometimes it happens. How to insert list into set? Sometimes it happens, guys. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, the same only. Let me check. Answer is correct. Answer dot add of t. Okay, okay. It should be working, right? It should be working, right, guys? Guys, should it be working? It should be working, right? Then why is it not working? Stupid subject. That's why I write the program in Java only. I hate this Python. I'm very bad in Python. Okay, list as a set element. List only. So try one tuple. Okay, 1 second. I'll try tuple. List as a. Okay, guys, no problem. Let me typecast it as tuple because my friend is telling me to typecast it as tuple. Let me check. ये तो और भी बड़ा एरर आ गया भाई. Okay, 1 second. 1 second, no problem. Let me typecast it as set only. Okay, then guys, let's go with that operator only. All this headache is not needed. All this headache is not needed. Very simple. Let's do that one. For T not in answer. Let's see if this one works. Okay. Then I will write answer dot append of T. Okay. Let's check this one, guys. I hope I don't get time complexity. Okay. Invalid syntax in time. Why is it invalid? For T not in answer, guys. Oh, okay. For Allah, if. Okay. If. Oh my God, this Python is so frustrating, man. Ah, guys, is it working? I have written the not if operator. Java students, we will use the hash set only. Okay. When you are writing the program, use hash set. Now I will get time complexity error. 100% sure. 100% sure I'll get time complexity error. Wow. No time complexity error. Stupid program. I thought I'll get time complexity error here for order of n square. I thought I'll get it here for order of n. Okay, guys, it is passing. Then God bless you all. Guys, did you understand? It is similar to three sum only, but this time two variables I and j will be fixed. K and L will be variable. Here you need to store only duplicate values. In Java, use hash set that. Python you can use for in operator. That is not in operator. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? So three sum problem, everybody please. So list method can also be used. Sorry. So list method can be used in Java. Yeah, you can use. You have to use list only. Of course, you have to use list only. Clear? But if you get time complexity error, switch it to hash set, store them in hash set, then bring it back to list. Just like the three sum problem. Okay, guys, four sum is clear. Is it okay, guys? Okay. Then can I stop the recording? Okay. Yes.